Indulge yourself in the sweet delight of homemade chocolate muffins, a treat that ignites joy in every bite. These little wonders are a crowd favorite, loved for their rich, chocolatey goodness and their soft, moist crumb. The beauty of chocolate muffins lies not only in their taste, but also in their simplicity. With just a handful of ingredients and a few steps, you can create these heavenly treats right in your kitchen. So, are you ready to dive into the world of baking these scrumptious delights? It's simpler than you might think. Before we dive into the process, gather all the necessary ingredients to ensure a smooth baking experience. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and a cup of whole milk. For that extra touch, grab a cup of chocolate chips. Remember, using quality ingredients can make all the difference. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to get baking. With all the ingredients at hand, you're all set to embark on your baking journey. First off, let's set the stage for our muffins to shine. Grab your muffin tin and lightly grease it with butter or a quick spray of cooking oil. This ensures your muffins don't stick to the sides and pop out beautifully once done. Now, let's get our oven preheated. Set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A preheated oven ensures even baking and a perfect rise for your muffins. While our oven is getting ready, let's mix our ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon each of baking soda and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together until well combined. In another bowl, blend together 1 cup of granulated sugar and a ½ cup of unsalted butter until creamy. Crack in 2 eggs, one at a time, and continue to mix. Pour in 1 cup of milk and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and mix until smooth. Now, the magic happens. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring gently but thoroughly. You're looking for a smooth, velvety batter. Finally, fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips for that extra chocolatey goodness. It's time to fill our muffin tin. Using an ice cream scoop or a large spoon, fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full with the batter. This allows space for the muffins to rise and bloom in the oven. Slide the muffin tin into your preheated oven and set your timer for 20 minutes. While you wait, the aroma of baking chocolate will fill your kitchen, stirring anticipation for the treat to come. Once the timer dings, use a toothpick to check if they're done. The toothpick should come out clean or with just a few crumbs. Let them cool in the tin for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Voila! Freshly baked homemade chocolate muffins are ready for you to enjoy. There you have it, a simple guide to making delicious chocolate muffins right in your kitchen. By now you've seen how easily these delightful treats come together. It starts with gathering your ingredients. Remember, quality matters. Then it's as simple as mixing the dry and wet ingredients separately, combining them, and finally, the magical transformation in the oven. It's not just about the final product though, it's about the journey. The aroma of chocolate filling your home, the anticipation as the muffins rise, the satisfaction of the first bite. That's the beauty of baking. We encourage you to get your hands dusted with flour, smell the cocoa, and feel the joy of creating something from scratch. Share your muffin-making journey, your triumphs, and even your delicious mistakes. Remember, baking is all about enjoying the process and indulging in the results. So go ahead and spread the joy with these delightful chocolate muffins. Until next time, happy baking!